After learning this less than type of cumulative frequency and more than type of cumulative frequency, we have a formula to find out the median. This is the formula to find out the median of a group distribution table. Group distribution. Here, median is equal to n plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. What is this symbols represents? L is equal to lower limit of the median class. How to find the median class? See, we have 53 here. 53 is there. 53 here n is equal to 53, sum of all the frequencies. 53 by 2, it gives the middlemost value. So it is 26.5. So this is the middlemost observation, 26.5. So that is n by 2. So that corresponding cumulative frequency you can see 26.5, where it comes from here, 26.5, where it comes, or from the less than type you can see, less than type. So corresponding class interval gives you the median class. You have to see that 26.5th observation there. That class interval is called as median class. Then n is the number of observation. In the previous example it was 53. Cumulative frequency means cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. Just median class you will get. So that previous class interval, see what is the cumulative frequency you are having, that is called as Cf. F is the frequency of the median class. So after identifying median class, find out the frequency of that one. So that is F. H is size of the class interval. We find out the difference between any two lower limits, that gives you the size of the class interval. So if you solve one question, then you will understand this better. So let us take the same question again. Marks of the students have taken the same table what we took for finding the cumulative frequencies. So now let us go for the less than type of cumulative frequency. So less than 10, it is 5. Less than 20, 5 plus 3, it is 8. Less than 30, 8 plus 4, 12. Less than 40, 12 plus 3, 15. So less than 50, 15 plus 3, 18. Less than 60, 18 plus 4, 22. Less than 70, 22 plus 7, 29. So less than 80, 29 plus 9, 38. So 38 plus 7, less than 90. So 45. 45 plus less than 100, 45 plus 8, 53. So this is the sum of the frequencies. Last one. This one, sigma F5, number of students, it is equal to 53. So that means you can note down the symbol n is equal to 53. So number of observations. Number of observations, we have 53 total observations. So in this formula, what are the things you have to find out? L, lower limit of the median class. Let us find out the median class first. N by 2. So that is 53 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1, 13, 2 6 are 12, 26.5. Where it will come 26.5? Look at this. Up to 5, up to 8, 12, up to 15, up to 18. See, this is 22. 26.5 will not be here. It will be in the 29th. So inside 29 you will get this one. So this is the median class. You can record this. So median class. This is median class. So I am highlighting this one. You can see this one. So 60 to 70 is the median class. So now in this lower limit you select, this is L. So L is equal to 60 now. L is equal to 60. Observe that it is a continuous. Okay, it is 60. Then next one, what you have to find out? See the formula. L is over, N is over, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. So this is median class. What is the preceding median class means? This is median class, preceding class is 50 to 60. Its cumulative frequency is 22. This is CF. CF. So therefore CF is equal to 22. So this is median class. Preceding one is 50 to 60. Its cumulative frequency is 22. So next, look at this F, frequency of the median class. Here median class 60 to 70. Its frequency here, this one. This is cumulative frequency. Remember, this is F, frequency column. This one frequency column. F is equal to 7. Be careful while writing this one. This is cumulative frequency. So this is the frequency of the median class. Cumulative frequency of the median class is 29. Only frequency of the median class is only 7. Okay. So this is cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. Preceding means the previous one. 60 to 70. Before that we have this one. Its cumulative frequency is 22. This is frequency of the median class. So 7. So then we got H is size of the class interval. So we have difference in like 10 minus 0, 20 minus 10, 30 minus 20. 0 to 10, how many are there? You see H is equal to 10. So this is the data we collected. Now substitute in the formula. Just you substitute in the formula. Median is equal to, we have formula L plus, you can write L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F inside the bracket into H. This is the formula to find the median. Lower limit of this median class, it is 60 plus N by 2. Already you have done N by 2, 26.5. 26.5 minus cumulative frequency CF, it is 22 divided by F here 7 into size of the class interval here 10, as we calculated already it is 10. Simplify this one, 60 plus 22 minus 26.5. What is the answer you have to see? 26.5 minus 22, is it 4? 4.5. 4.5, is it correct now? 4.5 divided by 7 into 10. Now 60 plus 4.5 into 7, it is 45. 4.5 into 7, 10, it is 45 divided by 7. So 60 plus 45 divided by 7. You can divide this one, you will get I think 6.4. Almost 6.4. 7 6 are 42. 42 means 3 remains 30. 7 4s are 28. It continues just enough. Then 60 plus 6.4, 66.4. So this is the median of this data. So now we got the median class here 62, 70. Your answer is also 62. Your answer is also 66.4. So it is in the median class only. 66.4 lies in this median class itself. So that's why it is called as a median class. The median lies in this class interval. So that's why it is called as a median class. Sometimes it may be very near to this one. That's all. Is it clear? Which measure would be best suited for a particular requirement? See, there are 3 measures of central tendency you all learned. One is mean, median and mode for grouped data as well as ungrouped data. Central tendency. So then, which median, which central tendency we have to use according to the required requirement for a required situation. So which one we have to apply, mean or median or mode? Which one you have to consider? So that's the question. Let us see that, differentiate these 3 and understand what is that. Mean value, it takes into account, see, mean value how we are calculating. Suppose there are in your examination, after the examination you will collect the marks and a list of the marks will enter in a table. How to find the mean? We add all the observations, all the marks and divide it by number of students. That is class average, we do the subject average every time after the test we are doing. That is the mean value. So what, suppose if I will take only 5 students marks, one student has taken 5, another one 10, so another 15, so 20, so then another person has taken 0. What is the mean value of this one means? Add this one, 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20, divided by number of students. See here, 15, 30, 50. It is coming 50 divided by 5. What is the mean value? 10. So that means we are awarding 10 marks to everybody like that. That is the meaning. Suppose in class 10K, there are only 5 students. Their marks are given here. Their marks are taken. We are adding all the marks divided by number of students. And I am getting the representative marks. See, 10th A is represented by these marks. If only 5 students are there, add all the marks, divide it by 5, you are getting the mean value as 10. So here, the highest value are 20, lowest value is here 0, but the representing marks here 10. See, it takes into account of all observations. We have not neglected 0 also. 5 also taken, 10, 15, 20, 0. All the observations we are considering. So, since we are taking all the observations, it lies between the extremes. Sometimes 0 marks, extreme means the highest and the lowest. So here the lowest is taken. Sometimes if a boy has taken 20 out of 20, that is highest. So highest also there and the lowest also there. We are considering both the extremes. Definitely it will be affected. This average 10 is affected by the extreme values. If 2 zeros are there means, then even if they are taken 22 students, it will pull down the average. So it is affected by the extremes now. So what is the use of this one? We can compare two different sections. What is the difference between the performance of 10th A and 10th B means? Like this, you add all the marks and divide it by your strength. And same thing you do in other section. You get this one more, then that section is better. So it is helpful in comparing the results of the students of different schools or of the same examination or different sections also you can compare. It helps us to compare the results. In such cases we use mean here. Okay, what is the disadvantage of this one? We are using the extreme values. Because of this 0, your average is coming down. Suppose if I remove this 0, only 4 students are there. What is the sum you will get? See, 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20, it is 50 only. Divided by 4 only you will do, not by 5. So now 4 ones are 4, so 10, 4 twos are 8. Then see 12.5 something it is coming. Okay. So therefore, it is increasing. Why it is reduced? Because one boy has scored 0. So your average is pulled down because of this 0. Had he scored more than 10, the school average would have increased. So therefore, mean value will be affected by the extreme values. Same thing happens sometimes if they are taken 20 out of 20, then your average will go high. So higher values will pull up, the lower values will pull down. So that means it depends on all the values and affected by these extremes. So that is the negative thing here. So that's what I have written. Extreme values affect the mean. Extreme values means lowest value will pull down, highest value will pull up. Okay. So that is one example I have taken. There are students, average is 34.6. Okay. So now here highest value is 50, 50, 46, 48, 50. More number of students have taken the highest value 50. Therefore average is pulled here. Even though there are 2 students taken 5.3, for them we are not mentioning 5.3, we are not mentioning here. What is the average of this class? 34. We are not bothered about 5 and 3. So now in the same way, look at this example, all are single digit numbers only. One is having 50. Even though one boy has taken 50, the average 9.2 only. 9.2 only. Even though we are not mentioning 50 out of 50, one bright student is there. But because of this lowest marks, the average is pulled down, but we never mention that 50 out of 50 there. We say class average is only 9.2. This 50 is affected here because of this lowest marks. The highest marks will pull up, the lowest marks will pull down. So that's why it is affected by the extreme values. Extreme values will affect the measures of central tendency here, mean value. So that is useful. Mean will be useful in comparison of the results of the 2 classes or 2 schools of a particular examination. Remember that one. So in problems, in certain situations where the individual observations are not important. For example, here 50, whether you have taken 50 or 0, that is not immaterial. I want to divide them into 2 groups. In such cases, the median is the better method. Suppose in a playground, I want to divide the students according to their heights. I will arrange them in the increasing order of their height. So first student here, second student here, third student, like that increasing order. So I want to remove all the short people one side or all the taller people other side. So median, we take the middlemost value. So this is the middlemost value. Below this we will make one group, above that we will make another group. So here the individual marks are not important means you want to make it 2 groups. We take the median here. if this is useful where the individual observations are not important. So this small boy or a tall boy is not important for me. So I want to make a group, two groups. So I take the median by arranging in increasing order. I will arrange them in increasing order. I will make two groups. Small children can go to other side and the taller children will go to the other side. So in such cases, and also in average wage in a country we use this one. Productivity rate of workers we use these situations. These are the situations where extreme values may be there. Taller and smaller may be there. But we take median because individual is not important. Okay, some may be getting higher wages, some may be getting lower wages. It is not immaterial for us means to differentiate them. So we take this method of finding the central tendency. Median is the better method. So the next method will go to this mode. Where it is useful mode? In situations which require establishing most frequent values. For example, we have a shop, chappal shop. We started a chappal shop. I purchased 5-inch 100 to the shop, 100 chappals, then 6-inch 100 chappals, 7-inch 100 chappals, 8-inch 100 chappals, 9-inch 100 chappals we purchased and opened a new shop. After 1 month, so maximum this only are selling, 5, 7, 8 only selling. This is very less, this is less. So this is almost 50 sold out, 50, 60 sold out, this is 50 sold out and it is nothing remaining there only. Then again I have to buy the chappals to my shop. So if I buy all these items again, then this will increase. It will become 200 my godown. Here also it will become 200 in my godown. Then I will become a fool. So therefore what I will do, which is selling more, 7 is selling more, I will buy this is more number of chappals to this one. This one I will not buy this. I will keep the same item there. But which one is selling more, that only I will buy to my shop. Okay, so in such cases this mode is very useful. Most frequently selling chappals or shoes is 7-inch, 6-inch and 8-inch. So then you buy only this one. Most repeated number. Mode is nothing but the most repeated number. So most frequently appearing number are 6, 7, 8. Then you take this 6, 7. Okay. So this is very useful to find out most popular TV program. Who is watching maximum number of the live show? Sarigamapa, you are watching more number of students means. So then that will be a popular program. We can declare most popular. News you are not at all watching. For you it is of no use. No use means you are not using that one. So it is not interesting for you. So therefore for you it is not a popular program. This is very popular. So to decide whether it is a popular or not, we use mode. Okay. Consumer item of greatest demand. I told now these three are of greatest demand. Then a shopkeeper will buy these items only. Whatever the items it is selling more and more, that is of high demand, then the shopkeeper will keep the same item again and again. Purchase more. Then choice of vehicle used in people. Suppose a Maruti vehicle is selling more means the people will go behind that only. Okay. So other vehicle or some other vehicle is going taking less means then what happens? So that people will buy less, then that is not popular. If other one is buying more means that is most popular. So like that we can decide which is the most popular vehicle based on this mode. Okay, and there is a relation between these three. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Or mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. If they give any two of these measures of central tendency, you can find out the third one using this one. Remember this may be asked for 1 mark question. What is the relation between the three measures of central tendency? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. You can remember this one, 3, 2. Mode is equal to 3 median, 2 mean, minus 2 mean. This formula if you remember, so sometimes they may ask for 1 mark questions also. Okay, so now we will take up one question here, the median question only. So now the median of the following data is 525. Find the values of x and y, missing frequency here. this is missing, this is missing. And they are given the median 525. And the total frequency here 100. So sum of this is 100. So find out this median. I will write the table again. Cumulative frequency, you do this. What is the cumulative frequency here? 2. Less than type I am doing. Less than 100, 2. Less than 200, 2 plus 5, 7. Less than 300, 7 plus x. Less than 400, 7 plus 12, it is 19 plus x. Less than 500. So here 9 plus 7, it is 16. So 36 plus x. Less than 600, 36 plus 20, 56 plus x. Less than 700, 56 plus x plus y. To this you have to add this one. See, 2 plus 5, 7 plus x. So 7 plus x plus 12. So 19 plus x plus 17. So 36 plus x plus 20. So you are adding like this. 2 to 5, you are getting this one. So like this you are adding. So you add this one. 56 plus 9, what is 56 plus 9? 65. Plus x plus y, we have to keep as it is because they are variables. You cannot add them. Then 65 plus 7, it is 72.
72.
Plus x plus y. 72 plus 4, it is 76. Plus x plus y. But sum of this is given. How many are there? Frequency, total frequency is 100. So that means 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100. This is given. Okay. So then median also given. So they are given. Median answer is also given. What is the median answer? It is 525. 525. And this is given 76 plus x plus y is equal to 100. So x plus y will become 100 minus 76. What is the answer? X plus y is equal to, is it 24? So it is 24. Okay. So now you got one relation. To find out x and y, we need one more equation. Equations in two variables we are having. How you will get another equation? Use the formula of median. What is the formula of median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2. N by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. So now you have to find out the median class. How to find out the median class? Already median is given. Since median is given, very easy to identify the median class. What is the median class? Where is that median 525 in this class and 12? It must be here. Usually what we used to do, n by 2 we were doing, no? But n value we do not know exact 150th observation. But 50th how to identify? Cumulative frequency is having a variable here. X is there. You cannot find out the 50th observation. N by 2 you know, it is 100 by 2, it is 50th. Where you will identify 50th observation here? Okay, unless you know the value of x, you cannot find out the 50th observation. But median is given, this is lies in this class interval, therefore this is median class. Once you know the median class, lower limit L is equal to 500. Cumulative frequency, formula you see this one. L you got, n by 2 got, Cf. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. What is the preceding median class is 400 to 500. What is its cumulative frequency? 36 plus x. You can write here 36 plus x. And then next one, look at the formula. This F is, it is the frequency of the median class. Median class is 500 to 600, its frequency here 20. This is F. F is equal to 20. Carefully observe this one. This is CF. CF. This is F. CF is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the class interval preceding median class. Median class preceding is this one and its cumulative frequency CF. F is the frequency of the median class. So it is 20. Size of the class interval H. Find out the difference between any two lower limits. 100 minus 0, 200 minus 100, 300 minus 200. It is 100. Now you substitute these values in the formula. Median you are already given. It is given already. Right here 525. What is L here? Lower limit here 500 plus n by 2. N by 2 it is total frequency is given 100 it is given. 100 divided by 2 it is 50. Minus CF. CF what is CF here? It is given 36 plus F x. So you write inside the bracket. Negative sign is there now 36 plus x. So you write a square bracket here. Then divided by F. F here 20. 20 into H here 100. Size here 100. So now you can cancel this 21s are 25s are. So 525. This you take this side. 525 minus 500 is equal to, only this is left over, 50 multiply minus inside, minus 36 minus x, it is already cancelled, into 5. 525 minus 500 it is 25 is equal to 56 minus 36, is it 14? 14 minus x into 5. Transfer 5 to the denominator. 25 by 5 is equal to 14 minus x. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So 5 is equal to 14 minus x. X you transfer left side, 5 that side. So x will be equal to 14 minus 5. It is 9. So you got the value of x. Once you know the value of x, you can easily find out by substituting into this one. So we have x plus y is equal to 24. X plus y is equal to 24. So x value here 9 plus y is equal to 24. Y is equal to 24 minus 9. Y is equal to, what is the answer? Is it 15? So that's the solution. The missing frequency, we found out the missing frequencies. X is equal to 9, y is equal to 15. X is equal to 9, y is equal to 15. So in the table, we have two missing frequencies here. So these are the two missing frequencies we found out. So when the missing frequencies are given, this total will be given. It is 100. Okay. And the median also will be given. So median is equal to, it is given 525. So using these two only you can find out the missing frequencies.